Start na ng rainy season pero tuloy pa rin ang pag-tour natin around the Philippines. Ngayong Wednesday, we are taking you to Bicolandia. Ang Bicol Region o ang Region 5 ay matatagpuan sa Southern Luzon. This is the home of the spectacular Mayon Volcano na hinahangaan for its natural perfect cone. Dito rin matatagpuan ang world-class water sports complex. Sikat din ang region sa natural na ganda ng mga beaches gaya ng Caramoan Islands. Dinadayo rin ang Bicol ng mga deboto ng Our Lady of Peña Francia, lalo na kapag kapistahan nito tuwing Setyembre. Let's experience what the region has to offer. Kasama kayo rito sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Less than 1 hour ang plane ride mula sa Maynila, mararating na ang Legazpi, Albay. Bago pa man lumapag ang eroplano, matatanong mo na ang ganda ng Mayon.
Good morning mga kapamilya! Isang bagong araw, bagong kwentuhan, sobrang bagong karanasan. Ako po si Chris Aquino at nandito ako ngayon sa Legazpi, Albay for Chris Reality TV.
Pagdating namin sa Legazpi Airport, isang mainit na pagtanggap ang sumalubong sa amin.
Mom! Hello! Kamusta ka? Finally, napunta ako. How are you? Doktora, di ba? Opo. See, I remember. Ito si Paul Jake, but he's really from Cebu.
Binoto mo pa yan?
Binoto ka raw niya.
Ang ating unang destinasyon dito sa Bicolandia, ang Misibis Bay. Nasabi nila talagang breathtaking ang ganda. Kaya tara na, sama-sama nating experience ang Misibis. Matatagpuan ang Misibis Bay sa Cagraray Island in Bacacay, Albay. Mararating ang isla via a 45-minute land travel from Legazpi. Pero hindi mo mamamalayan ang oras ng biyahe dahil ang ganda-ganda talaga ng view papunta dito.
Sumakay na tayo, tapos pinara ko kayong lahat dahil gusto ko magpa-picture na yung Mayon Volcano ang nasa backdrop ko. Ang ganda. Tapos dumiretso na tayo, we went na to Misibis. Ang ganda. Diba? Talaga, I kept repeating, na why is the water so blue in the inland sea na hindi maalon but ang blue? Beautiful.
May tuturing na tropical hideaway ang Misibis Bay. In this luxury island playground, hindi ka mauubusan ng mga adventures na pwedeng itry. Kung pahinga naman ang hanap nyo, pwede ring mag-relax sa kanilang Asian-inspired villas and other world-class amenities.
Alright, hi Miss Grace, welcome to the
Hi,
City
Ayan! Let's go.
Fair.
So yung music na nagpe-play ngayon,
It's Ibalong, the Ibalong dance.
beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano to? Pang fish?
Yes, it's a fish.
Is it good luck?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Flowers. Thank you. Ang gaganda ng girls.
Of course, ma'am.
They're hired for their looks, syempre.
And personality. Of course.
Okay. Ganda ah. How long did it take you to build?
Well, it started
Long
in 2005. Gob, no, the first time you were here.
1999.
But it opened in 2009 as Misibis Bay.
So 10 years,
10
actually.
years.
Very
In the
making.
making.
Sumusunod yung dancers, oh. Kawawa naman sila talaga, oh.
Well, Veronica will be giving you a short orientation about the resort.
Hi, Veronica, yes?
Mabuhay and a pleasant afternoon to everyone. Welcome you to Misibis Bay, the country's first island luxury playground. My name is...
Island Luxury Playground.
Yung nakita niyo po kanina lamang po is the Ibalong Dance. Ibalong Dance po, which depicts the heroic tale of the Bicolano folklore. The island of Cagaray, province of Albay, has a lot to offer in terms of adventure.
Di ba ano all-inclusive dito? When you come here, di ba marami ng activities na kasama?
Yes, ma'am. It depends upon ma'am the package, ma'am. From the bed and breakfast package, ma'am.
Oo.
The bed and breakfast, ma'am. And then we have the 3 days 2 nights stay package, which is po full board.
Wala ka ng problema kasi lahat ng food mo.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
really beautiful, ah. Sino nag-design na to?
Our Elsaldo po, the owner.
Siya? Ganda. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
So as of now, Segway ma'am is over there.
Babalik ka na mag-segue na tayo. Okay na kayo. My God, grabe naman ang ganda ng pool. Kasi tinan mo, infinity siya towards the sea. Ang ganda.
Three swimming pools. You actually have a lagoon pool
Where?
over here by the rooms. And then you have the infinity pool and also the kiddie pool.
Ang
over
ganda
by the
naman
reception.
dito.
Yes, pa.
You will be staying here tonight, right?
Yes. Ito, lagoon. Ang laki. Ganda.
We have access to the swimming pool pa rin. But
How?
we prepared di po, diretso siya right in front of the
Tapos?
rooms. And then for the beachfront naman, you can either go to the swimming pools or doon sa beach. We reserve the luxury villa for you. It has its own
Ang ganda naman itong pool nyo.
Yes, yes.
It's so nice.
Sabi ko sa'yo, dali mo yung dalawang bata.
Susunod sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol,
Ayun, your balance na.
Bakit
Push it
ako
a little
nagle-
bit forward.
Nagle-left ako. Why am I reversing?
Push it forward a little bit.
I'm moving
You
backwards.
can push it forward a little bit. Yan.
Ayaw niyo maniwala sa akin, nagbabackwards ako. Wala akong skills na ganito. Okay.
nagbabalik po ang Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Umpisa pa lang, namanghana ako sa ganda ng Mercedes Bay. Ngayon naman, susubukan nating libutin ang buong resort gamit ang kanilang high-tech vehicle called the Segway.
And who will teach us? And where's the helmet?
Yeah, we have helmets in
Yes, ikaw.
first time.
First time in Albay. Si Josh ang may gusto nun. And before kasi, we wanted to try it for him but he was over the weight limit kasi hanggang 250 pounds lang ang kaya nun eh. So we were gonna do it sa ano, tapos nung nalaman na hindi siya pwede, naawa naman ako sa kanya. We were abroad ng time na yun eh, kaya hindi na namin ginawa lahat kasi baka mag-feel bad naman siya, diba? Hi!
Early again.
Paano natin gagawin ito?
Actually, it's very easy. It's a high-tech device na it moves on your own momentum
Go.
and balance. Oh.
Kailangan may balance?
It's very easy po. It
Are
was
you
actually
sure?
designed for
Wag
for
masisira yung ano na.
less able people.
Are
When
you-
you stand still, hindi siya gumagalaw. It can balance on its own.
Are you sure? Magbabalance yan ah.
We'll be
O
holding you later.
tapos,
Then when you turn right, you just lean towards the right. And then turn left, lean towards the left. When
okay.
you want to go forward, you can just tilt push it
Ano?
forward a little bit lang.
I'll try.
Alright.
Walang helmet?
Yes,
Mahirap
po, yeah.
naman. O, go, ikaw muna. First time din yung Paul Jake, itatry yan eh. O, lahat ng pwede niyong lagyan ng protection, ilagyan na. O. Go, Ermi. Go, Ermi. Go.
Tulak lang. Okay.
How does it feel?
Ito stable naman.
It's very easy. actually.
Stable.
You just need to avoid yung mga
Paano yung break daw?
Straight lang
Yung
daw.
break, you just need to stand still.
Hold nyo
Hold
ah.
first, and then one step first. Alright, balance it. Yeah, relax.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and then, saan na tayo pupunta?
Ayun, you're balanced na. You
Bakit
push it
ako
a little bit
nagle-
forward.
Nagle-left ako. Why am I reversing?
No, yung pag, just stand still, relax. You wanna go forward, push it forward a little bit.
I'm moving
You
backwards.
can push it forward, right? Push mo.
Parang wala akong skills na ganito. Okay.
Oh, you lean forward lang po. You lean forward.
Pili ko na ako. Nahihilo na ako.
Balance your feet sa middle.
Middle ah.
Alright, yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
Ba't ako bumabaliktad?
You're leaning a little bit back.
Oh, you're leaning a little bit back.
Lean a little bit forward.
Oh,
Yan.
Oh,
Sige,
tapos
push.
turn.
Yan, turn. Sige po.
bumabaliktad talaga ako. Parang wala akong capability for this kasi I never learned how to ride a bike.
This is actually easier.
No, it's hard. I swear.
Try to go down, ma'am. One step first. Step back first.
Tapos,
Step back, baba
anong
po kayo.
gagawin mo?
Yeah, and then try to step forward again. Hold the bars. One
Parang
last time.
2 hours tayong
Dito,
mag-a-attempt
hold,
nito
okay.
ha.
Hold po,
Oh,
Okay?
oh,
Alright,
go.
relax po. Yan. Move forward. Oh, there you go. Yun.
Oh,
Punta ka po sa kanya.
Push it forward lang, Chris.
oh.
There you go.
Bagal eh. So nung tinry ko, una, mali pala yung apak ko, kaya ayaw ko umandar ng tama. Tapos nung bumaba ako, umapak ulit, tapos sinenter ko na sarili ko. Okay na siya, pero ang bagal. Ano go faster? Oh, bakit? Parang wala nangyayari.
You're getting a hang of it. Yeah.
Ay, saya. Okay, let's go. I wanna go faster.
I'm here.
Oh, woo, turn. Para saan ba to? Anong purpose nito?
Well, it's actually used for off-road. But
Off-road?
use it to go around the resort.
Hello. Ano to? What's being built here?
This are expansion. We're adding 52 more rooms here, as well as
Okay.
swimming pools. These are smaller rooms than the ones we have here. Because the ones we have here are about 60 square meters. Here it's about
Laki.
mga 32 square meters.
Okay. Wait, nandito na tayo. Ano to? It's still a lagoon.
Yeah, the lagoon pool. So basically, the rooms you can see, they're a junior suite or a one-bedroom deluxe. They have the
Okay.
same configuration naman, but depending on where you are, and basically the beachfront rooms have a more premium than the poolside rooms.
Okay, we're going down to the beach.
This is the end of the lagoon pool, so that's where we came from earlier.
Ganda.
We also have the rooms at the taas that are one-bedroom premieres. It has its own private
wow.
jacuzzi naman.
Oh, tapos, saan tayo punta
So this is where, going to the beachfront naman.
Oh my God, ang ganda ng view to the beach. Nakita ko na.
Doon po yung beach.
Okay, so
But
let's park.
We'll just have a quick look and then we'll go all the way there.
This is the room where I'm gonna
This is
stay.
the room we're going to stay.
Okay, bago ko guluhin yung room, tingnan na natin. Let's stop. Ang ganda nito kasi pagbaba mo, beach na.
Yes, beachfront kaagad.
Wow! How nice! You have to bring Melissa here pag nag-ano na kayo, 1 year. Ano? Pag 1 year na. Okay, What's this?
Wow. Jacuzzi.
Na ano?
That's your
Private
own,
jacuzzi.
Yeah, ganda naman.
It's heated din po.
Yung mga kids ko, matutuwa dun sa parang jacuzzi, tapos nakikita mo yung beach. Dun ko sabi ko, oh my God, kung alam ko lang, kung nakita kong ganyan, pinag-absent ko na yung dalawa. Ganda naman, pati the beach. Beautiful.
Missy Beach has a 1 kilometer stretch of white sand.
Hoy, kama ko yan! Ito si Darla, wait. That's my bed. Why are you lying down on my bed? You're dirty. Di ka pa naliligo. Ay, Darla. Ako si Darlang yan, oh. That's my bed. Hinigaan mo na hindi ka pa naliligo. Eh, kahit na. Ikaw talaga. Nakita ko yun.
Oh,
Ha?
sa bed ko pa ganyan.
Maarte ako, ayoko. Diba ako nga mismo when I come from work, bago ko humiga sa bed, naligo talaga ako. Tapos itong Darlang to, ha. And to think, Darlang, naulanan tayo and everything. Ako nga naligo dun sa, where did
We'll
I...
change the bed.
Where did I... No, it's okay.
In the lava
Dun
bed.
sa Venetia Hotel. Wag na, it's okay. That's life. Oh, ang ganda. You're here. Tignan mo yung view, ang ganda, diba?
Yeah, you're actually looking at the Albay Gulf and you're facing out to the Pacific Ocean.
My God, ang social ng resort niya. It's really super duper
Thank you.
nice. Wala kayong ganito na pang family.
We have a 1-bedroom suite. Actually, some of the rooms of the crew, they're on the 1-bedroom premier. It's a big room. It's 110 square meters.
Naging bed ba yan?
Yes, that's actually an actual mattress, an orthopedic mattress. We set it up
Okay.
with...
Question, how much is this room?
Oo,
Yung-
regular rate.
Yung regular rate is 42,000 per night. 42,000.
Pero anong kasama na doon?
It's all-inclusive na po. Full board with the transfers to and from Legazpi. You have your own private...
Pero diba sometimes you have Philippine residence rate?
Yes, of course. We have
Oh,
weekday rate promos as well.
Oo, anahin mo yun. Timingan mo yun. Na yung Philippine residence rate. Para
Especially for weekdays, we have very friendly promos.
Like, kung weekday mo kukunin to, bababa to how much?
Yes, up to 40% sometimes.
Oh, weekday na lang, no? Absent na lang ako.
So if you notice, the resort is split into 2 areas. One is the guest rooms and the other are the recreation areas. That's so that para quiet. Pagdating dito is very quiet. So if, like I said, the resort is 5 hectares.
Oo.
So if we're full capacity, let's say 200 people, you barely see the people around because guerrillas.
Sino nag-design ng mga pool niya? Ang ganda-ganda.
It's a husband and wife team, the DQA, Lori Borja. That one was not enough.
Pero sana kayo, lagay kayo ng water slides.
Yes, that's incoming po.
Yay!
Actually, we're expanding more there. We're putting water
Kasi syempre,
slides.
yung mga
tapos
anak ko yun ang
fountains.
obsession. Ganda ng pools. Doon ko na-miss naman si Bim. Naisip ko talaga na my son is missing this. Kasi si Bim, di ba, addict sa swimming pool.
Up next, i-experience naman natin ang authentic Bicolano cuisine sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Back here sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Sa bawat travel natin, hindi syempre mawawala ang food trip. Kaya naman, ang ating next stop, isa sa mga dinadayong restaurants in Albay na nagsaserve ng authentic Bicolano dishes, ang First Colonial Grill.
Tara, go! Sabay tayo with Rowena.
Wala nga Rowena, kasi ako taga-tikim din. Serve
Ano
na
yung ice cream mo? Bakit ganon?
maanghang.
Maanghang po.
Feeling? Pero foreigners go here for that already.
For the ice cream?
Isn't that, di ba may ano yan sa mall? May ganyan din sa
Gob,
mall.
di ba classmate mo si Noy?
Naman,
Saan kayo naging classmate? High school?
English,
Sa college na to?
socio-antro.
Inaamin naman niya, early on, hindi siya supporter ni Noy. Tapos halfway through, yun. Tapos ito so major na pumunta ako para sa kanya. Kasi ang laki ng voting population dito. Very decisive ang naging victory ni Pinoy dito. Kaya ako siya naging friend talaga. At sinabi ko, naalala nga niya, tinext ko siya after kasi he sent me the results. Tapos sinabi ko na ako, BFF. Kasi kasi doon, di ba, where eating is, ano nga, yung tagline mo?
just an experience.
Oh, bakit siya more than just an experience?
Kasi
Kasi,
po, it will leave an indelible mark sa memories pag kumain ka.
oh, talaga? Oh, ano to? This is,
Tinapa fried rice po.
so is it from here also?
Opo.
Ano yung egg?
Salted egg.
And ito,
This is laing po, pero ang
gaano
tawag,
kaanghang?
kayang-kaya niyo po yan.
Okay.
Made up of dried gabi leaves.
That you're laing. Okay, try natin. Let's experience.
Paborito mo yan eh.
Oh, so ito,
Kami
same.
po yun.
Delicious.
Really good, huh?
Dalaing, no? Ibang level.
Mahal.
Bakit? Bawal mag-straw dito?
Okay lang.
Why?
Anti-plastics.
But it's so hard to drink when you have lipstick.
Oh, well, exemption.
Ah, ganun ba? Ano pa mga bawal dito, Go?
Smoking.
Buko! Oh, itry natin to
Kebab.
buko.
Opo. Land with buko meat.
Saan?
Yan, buko meat po. Yung pala yung potato.
Gov, never ka kinasal, di ba?
Di pa po. Pero may anak ko isa.
Ah, ba't ka nagkaanak?
Wala.
You just wanted a child? How old is your child?
Grade 2.
Ah, bata ka. Dito nakatira?
Palanggi. Coordinator
Paul
din.
Vic, kayo, in Cebu, where do you live?
Talamban.
Saan?
It's in the city naman.
Ah, doon talaga?
Yeah, city. Cebu City.
May assessment your family?
Yeah.
Ah, talaga? Close na?
Yeah.
The mom likes you?
Oh, I haven't met the mom. Nasa States ba siya eh. I've met the dad, but not the
The
mom.
dad?
The dad, yeah. Okay naman.
Ay, gano'ng
Yeah.
katagal na ba kayo?
3 months?
Ay, oh, nice. Yan ang gusto ko. Diretso sumasagot, walang paligoy-ligoy. Kinakasyal ko, sumasagot. Ano to?
Sa Bicolana Miskis.
Ano yan?
Made up of ginubatan longganisa gob and may sili. Parmesan
I served that
cheese
also
and
to you.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Meron tayong, nag-Bicol Express tayo nang natatandaan ko. I don't think there was pasta, Gov. I would have remembered.
I
Itong
should.
pasta.
ginubatan longganisa gob.
Ano yun?
I served ginubatan longganisa.
Ginubatan
It's
po is-
like lukban and Ilocos.
A town here po in Albay.
Thank you so much. O, tikman na natin. Anong tawag ulit?
Pasta Bicolana.
Pasta Bicolana kasi...
Maanghang.
At,
Yung subik mo, ang ganda-ganda. I watched it.
mas maganda to, Gov, kasi ang daming activities talaga.
Yung Boracay mo, maganda rin yun. I never discovered sa Boracay. Tayo something new pala there.
And then yung nadidiscover ng lahat ng mga TFC. So at least ginaganahan sila, gagastos sila pagpunta nila dito. Maanghang siya. Ha? Nababaliw na tayong dalawa. Kaya... Ilang years na kayo?
8 years.
Sabi niya na ang laing daw pinapalaman sa pandesal. I cannot imagine.
Try ko.
Testingin.
Masarap.
Pakuha ng pandesal.
May pandesal ka ba? I-test na natin dahil kiniklaim niya yun. Dali. Maanghang na naman yan.
Hindi po lahat. Yung sili lang.
Ikaw na yun, ha?
Uy,
Ate naman, ubo na kami dalawa na. Ano to muna? Let's
Ito po,
start.
that's Pili ice cream.
Pili.
Opo.
Ito, mahahappy tayo dito. Kasi, I guess the ice cream will help lessen the anghang.
This is for the sili ice cream.
yan ang world famous na.
Alright, I'll try that first.
Sige na nga. Wala na ang anghang. Pagkatapos niyan, wala na to. Okay, kaya na natin yan.
Sure?
Try mo. At you're sure, di pa siya naniwala sa akin. Hindi niya binubola ko siya para mapilitan siya din. Kasi creamy eh. So,
Yeah.
hindi masyadong, not like that, na biting
Yeah.
talaga. Talagang, oh, may I shock you.
O yung tatlo pa.
Ito po, tinotong.
Ano yun?
Tinutong na bigas.
na ice cream.
Yung Sinino.
Ano? Oh, inubo ka na naman! Go! Kawawa naman yung Cebuano. Hindi na kinaya. It's nice. Ito masarap.
Favorite ko
Very
rin po.
Try mo yan.
Then,
Ito po, malunggay.
Ano yung isa?
Calamansi.
Kasi ito maasim, I'm sure. Pero,
You like this one?
so far, ito yung winner. Last. This is Malunggay. Baka naman ginrain mo lang.
Malunggay po.
Meron talaga, promise?
Oo naman, ma.
And in coconut milk.
Sarap eh. Di ba hindi mo ma-feel na nagbe-veg? Kasi
This one the best.
when you're breastfeeding, pinipilit ka magmalunggay ng mamalunggay, di ba, sa sabaw, until you reach at point na ayoko na magmalunggay. Pero ito, ang sarap. Kung ganito lang pala, sana ito na lang.
Pag
Why
may
di
na-
may coffee?
Spicy nga yan.
May bago tayong laruan na pinapaubo-ubo natin.
This is really spicy, huh?
Saan ka
Bakit
mo?
mo inisip to?
Kasi po mahirap mag-compete with national brand. So dapat meron kaming kakaiba para puntahan kami ng tao. And ma-promote na din po yung Bicol.
So maraming kalamansi dito?
Opo, maraming sili, pili, kalamansi.
Eh bakit di green?
It's malunggayan. Malunggayan.
This is malunggay. It's, I'm not exaggerating. Isa sa pinakamasarap na pandesal na natikman ko.
It's malunggay. And that's what I eat. Almost everybody eats it here.
Why?
Well, because it's malunggay and it tastes good.
It's just masarap,
And she
maluto.
claims masarap with... Sabi mo Rowena. Sabi mo masarap ito. Tingnan natin.
May halong...
Oo nga, masarap yan. I do it also.
Kaya. Mas gusto ko plain dahil ang sarap-sarap ng pandesal.
You are.
Sobrang sarap
Thank you sa pagpunta rito.
Thank you, Doc.
Up next, be ready for a wild ride.
Go on the quiz!
Ang hirap! Sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Nagbabalik ang Chris Reality TV Bicolandia Adventure. Matapos nating masatisfy ang ating craving para sa masasarap na Bicolano food, time naman para masatisfy ang ating appetite for adventure. Kung extreme lang din ang pag-uusapan, diretso na tayo sa Pawa, Legazpi para subukan isang wild all-terrain adventure sa paanan ng Mayon.
Kasama natin si Paul J kasi ito, di ba, extreme ang adventure na gagawin natin. O, idol, nakatry na ako mag-ATV in, saan nga, Bohol, sa Blue Water, pero parang iba to.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit di mo sila pinag-helmet doon?
Ano lang, ma'am, post lang naman.
Hindi, gumagalaw eh.
Apo,
Saka nasa
kasi
ilog,
isa sa part of work. Kasi minsan kung may bisita tayo sa mahirapan sa helmet, minsan medyo masakit ang ulo, ino-authorize din naman namin. Kasi hindi naman delikado yung ETV.
Talaga?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Turuan mo na kami.
Good morning, welcome to Legazpi, the city of Mayon volcano. This is the new 7 wonder of the world contender. This is the rules and guidelines while operating the ATV. Iga-guide namin kayo yung devastated area ng lava. Pag ang lava po ay ibinubuhos pababa, yun po ang dadaanan natin. Hindi
Okay.
naman siya very exciting. Why? Kasi this is a rocky road. No? Rocky road. Ibig sabihin, kadalasan po, puro lang po yan lava rock. No? Kailangan safe tayo kasi pag nagkarirahan tayo dyan, pwede tayo magbanggaan.
Ayoko magkarera.
Hindi nga po. All riders must follow martial guide in a single line.
Ikaw yun, idol.
Yes. Lahat ng riders po must wear protective gears at all times during the ride. Kailangan may helmet tayo.
Ay,
And
lahat
then,
talaga.
kung medyo nahihirapan din, okay
May
lang.
goggles? Wala.
Wala po, ma'am.
Ah, wala?
Meron lang kami mask for the dust.
Okay. Kasi di ba minsan maano yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede mag-shades.
Pwede po.
Kasi minsan mahapde, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung
Hindi,
ano,
yung
na-try
dust
ko na
talaga.
yun eh.
Kasi
Oh.
yung dust natin dito, iba. Magnetic stand ang nandito sa atin.
Sige.
Mag-break tayo. In
Do
case
not
may-
attempt jumps
Yes,
or
ma'am.
other stunts. Eh, hindi ko naman talaga gagawin
Ito yung
yan.
ang importante, ma'am, in case may problema, kasi ang ating ATV ay minsan, siyempre,
Nagloloko.
nagkakaproblema.
Oo.
Kung mag-stop, all you have to do is raise your hand, then wait it. Kasi every second, every minute, every hour, ang ating pong tour guide ay lumilingon sa inyo. Ating
Keep your
gagawin yan.
feet on the footrest
Yes, this
at
is very
all
important.
time.
Then
All
yung mga-
riders must sign the waiver
Yes,
agreement.
ma'am.
Pwede
Yes.
kong basahin yung waiver bago ko
ma'am.
pirmahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bawal, we cannot sue them. Sige. Here you go. Oh, ayan. Sign na ako. You have to sign. Let's go. Big love. Okay, let's do this. Saan ako?
Ano po kayo sa Sino ba
Sa red.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait na. O, go. Paano?
Okay, this is very easy, ma'am.
Sige.
First is to know the brake. We have
Where?
front brake, then the rear brake. Two
Okay.
brakes. But we have the emergency brake. This is the foot brake. We need to use the high gear.
Ayan, go.
Push.
Push saan? Saan yung neutral?
Ito ang neutral.
Okay, neutral.
Pinus mo lang konti lang. Yan, okay na. You need to have a test drive, ma'am, before we
Yes,
go.
I like to have test
So,
drive. Excuse me, everybody. Let's go, Idol! Nagre-reverse ako, Idol. Nakakaloka. Oh, go.
let's go.
Carry bell.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, everybody. Okay, babu. Here we go.
Ano to siya sabi niya? No racing?
Here we go. Sa gitna ng ulan. Ganda. Ay, paakyat. Okay, here we go. Paano ko aakyat? Go lang. Okay. Oh my God. Ah! Okay. Ah! Okay. Follow the trail. Okay. Kaya ko ba itong paakyat na to?
Kaya mo yan, Ate Chris.
Are you sure? Kaloka. Okay, go. Ah! Okay, wait. Nakakaloka. Oh my God! Ayoko nang pababang ganyan. Saan ka?
Sige, ma'am. I will. Sige lang.
Ikaw?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ikaw naman.
Di ba seat? Ano ka? Okay, kaya mo? Tatalon ka. Okay, go. Oh, to that. Ay! Okay, oh, go. Oh. Oh, go. Okay, nakakaloka tong experience na to. Ay! Okay. Yeah, I'm alive. Okay, go. Sulfuric water, okay.
Ito po ang start ng Rocky Road.
Sige.
Okay? This is exciting, okay? Just follow me.
Exciting daw, sige.
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Oh. As in, mabato talaga, ah. Kaloka. Okay, go. Rock and roll. Woo.
If you want to go slow,
Okay. Hindi. Okay, layo kayo. Woo! Break. Splash sa tubig. Ibang experience to. Pagod na ako. Ay!
You're good, you're good.
Here we go. Saan gawa itong mga ATV na to?
Taiwan.
Taiwan, maganda
Yeah.
siya. ah.
Then another close
Go,
to the water.
Idol, sa
Yeah,
tubig.
just follow me
Pag sa
again.
tubig, ano yon? Anong gagawin?
Really close to the water again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, dediretso yun to. Okay. Okay. Ah! Alog na katawan talaga. Go.
Susunod sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol.
Oh, wait! Diretso yun to, hindi.
Iwasan mo na yung bato.
Ayaw eh.
Chris TV would like to thank Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, your luxury island playground. For increase, call 661-8888 or visit www.misibisbay.com.
Bye-bye. Tapos na. Saan na tayo pupunta ngayon? Oh, lava! Sige, go. Okay, kaya pa. That ATV. Okay, you know, I liked it kasi I felt na you could balance naman. But dito talaga napagod yung dito ko. Hindi ko naman alam na yung dito mape-pressure at this point. Kasi yun yung pang-accelerate mo, yun ang ginagamit mo eh. Pero kasi nakapunta na kami when we went to Hawaii, nakita namin yung mga volcanic lang ano. Pero yung sa atin, dyan ko lang na-experience talaga to be near the, yung where the lava fell, tapos yung dadaan ka dun sa streams of water, tapos biglang aakyat ka, bababa ka. Masaya. And-enjoy ko siya.
Dumagdag pa sa challenge ang malakas na pagbuhos ng ulan.
Iwan mo?
Kailangan ko na mag-mask?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandito. Go, mag-mask na tayo. Sa gitna ng ulan.
In the rain, baby!
Rain, rain, go away.
In the rain! Okay, ma'am.
In the rain.
Watching, yung mga huli nakikita mo?
Mga ano?
Yung mga hood.
Okay.
Marami yung nest nila ng ibon, tapos napisa na sila. Puro ibon yung laman yan, ma'am.
Pagkatapos ng long and exhausting ride, we finally reached our destination, ang paanan ng Mayon.
Trail, yeah. We need to walk.
How far?
3 minutes to 5 minutes.
Pero
Walking.
you don't walk.
We walk.
No, pag ganito nagre-rain,
Okay lang, ma'am.
ng ligaya?
Yes, ma'am. Mas maganda nga makapit yung buhangin. Hindi tayo mag-slide. Makapit sa... Bababa tayo, ma'am, dito. We need to register our name for the tourism purposes. Kung ilang bisita ba yung pumupunta dito sa lava.
Pagdating sa registration area, pwede ka ring mag-trek para marating mo ang lava wall.
Pero ano nga magandang mangyayari sa buhay natin kung gawin natin yung trekking na yan?
Ma'am, ma-amaze ka kasi nandun sa taas kung saan nag-stop yung eruption ng
Let's trek.
Okay? You ready, ma'am? Kasi dito, inaano ko lang, 5 minutes. Pahinga, then kung okay na,
Okay na, let's
we can
do
go in.
this.
Proceed. Okay, ma'am?
What are we doing now?
We're doing now to walk or trekking the lava. Papunta doon sa
Ikaw
lava.
nagmumotocross?
I tried
Or
it naman.
Okay,
saan
ma'am.
tayo?
Sige, ma'am, papunta na po tayo doon. Then, kung gusto mo, ma'am, dalawa rin ang way dito. Pag akakyat mo, ayaw mo na maglakad, may zipline tayo.
Ay, mas gusto ko yung zipline.
This is the longest zipline
Oh,
in
ayoko
Legazpi.
na maglakad.
Yeah, so
Pero
parang
bakit
wala.
nag-grow yung trees?
Kasi
Kahit
yung
malava?
yung lava kasi,
Fertile?
ma'am, yung, fertile kasi yung lava, yung, yung inaano nilang abo, yung parang abo, di ba?
Tapos?
Parang fertilizer siya.
Okay.
Tapos yung mga buko natin dito, talagang matataba. Tapos matamis ang ng buko rito. Matamis yung sabaw.
Because of the minerals?
Yes, because of the minerals.
As in parang naturally sweetened?
Yes, ma'am. Naturally talaga.
Itong nilalakaran natin ngayon, ano to?
Ito na po yung start nito ng ito ay galing sa may volcano na talaga. Yung
Oh, this.
yes, ma'am. This is a sand, magnetic sand, and we have the lava rock.
So ito, trek lang
Correct,
tayo.
ma'am. This is the entry point.
Si Paul Jake, anong workout? What do you really do?
Right
Gym
now,
lang?
gym, and then I'm getting into triathlon.
Pati ikaw! Ba't usong-uso sa lahat ng boys ang triathlon na yan? Why?
No, it's yung
Because it's a
self-accomplishment.
challenge?
Yeah, challenge.
Or is it for the din also, the discipline na binibigay niya?
Ayun, isa din yan.
Wow, lakas na itong ulan na to, ha? Sana to, back up. Mababalik na tayo kasi light kami, wala kaming reserve. Walk to the rain? Yeah. Dance in the rain. With everyone watching like we were insane. Di ba parang insane talaga sila?
Hindi umulan, gagawin mong umakyat at mag-zipline pa rin.
Sige. Di naman nangyari. Hindi yung, kasi sinabi naman niya sa akin ni Idol na yung aakyatan, hindi ganun ka freaky. So okay lang.
Pagbalik namin sa registration area, tinikman ko naman ang ipinagmamalaking buko ni Idol.
Sandali, tumapis na nga. No, in fairness. Doon sa pagitna na, it's sweeter, I swear.
Walang sugar yun.
Tumanis. Tama ka doon. Darla, let's go!
Si Darla na ang nag-drive for me sa pabalik, pero si Paul Jake parang wala pa rin kapaguran.
Okay, bakit dito daw hindi umulan?
Yes, ma'am, kasi nasa upland tayo eh. Nasa upland tayo, mataas na yun.
So, pag mataas ka, inuulan?
Oo, medyo nandun kasi yung... Hinihimok kasi naman yung volcano yung yung lamig eh.
Well, it's a really good experience.
Ma'am?
Idol, tanongin lang kita anong age ang pwedeng gumawa na to?
Ma'am, 12 years old po.
And then,
At least 5'5" height siya.
sinabi nga nila, di ba, na the kids have to be over 12 years old or at least 5 feet 5 inches na kung bata pa. Yun. So, yung ako kasi na-miss ko talaga si Josh dahil naisip ko talaga na yan ang ma-enjoy ni Kuya talaga ng bonggang-bongga. So, dapat bumalik talaga kami para magawa niya yan. What's beautiful, I think, talaga dito, the majesty of nature pinapakita. And yung in fairness, di ba, you don't feel like you're gonna topple over. May feeling of safety. So, it's 3,500 pesos for 1 hour.
For 1 hour, ma'am. But kami mabait
Sulit na
naman.
yun.
Yes. We extend it to 1.5 talaga.
Okay.
We give free 30 minutes para ma-enjoy ng guest namin.
Ay, that's nice. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Idol.
ma'am.
Ano yung number to call?
0917-5859-859.
Okay, thank you very much.
Abangan bukas, susubukan namin ni Paul Jake ang mga exciting water activities ng Misibis Bay. Plus, isang exclusive peek sa budget-friendly pasyalan na malapit sa Misibis Bay. All that and more sa pagpapatuloy bukas ng Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Ayan, Manong Johnny, may crush ka din sa party.
Hindi, paniwalaan niya.
Pareho po kaming hot, kaya po... Hindi po.
To be smart or to be beautiful?
Smart. Yung beautiful yung tiyo-tiyo ko nang binibili.
Are you dating someone new? Sino yung girl? Sige na, it's okay. Tayo-tayo lang eh. Is your lola really cook? No? Okay.
A little bit.
Magandang Thursday mga kapamilya, kahapon. Simulan na natin ang pagsilip sa ganda ng Bicolandia. Kakaibang adrenaline rush ang naramdaman namin ni Paul J. Castillo nang subukan namin ang wild all-terrain adventure sa paanan ng Mayon Volcano. Sinubukan din namin ang ilan sa mga ipinagmamalaking putahe ng mga Bicolano. At syempre pa, na-amaze din tayo sa ganda ng Luxury Island Playground found in Cagraray Island sa Bacacay, Albay, ang Misibis Bay. Pero patikim pa lang yan dahil susubukan namin ng aking travel buddy ang ilan sa mga water activities that the resort has to offer. Dito lang yan sa pagpapatuloy ng Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Hindi lang relaxing stay ang ino-offer ng Misibis Bay. The resort also offers good food. At maswerte tayo dahil ang kanilang chef na si Roel Legson, tuturuan tayo ng ilan sa naiibang Bicolano dishes na pwede nating subukang lutuin at home.
What are we making?
Ang tilmok po.
Oh, ano tong ingredients mo?
This is a mixture ng shrimps and crabs, lemongrass,
Okay.
ginger, onion and garlic. Nilagyan ng yung kakanggata, then salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Then ibabalot dito sa laing.
Okay.
Ito ang tawag dito sa amin is tanag. Ito po ma'am, yung ang tawag dito sa amin na itong laing, ang tawag dito sa amin is natong. Tagalog, laing. Then
Anong gagawin mo?
ilalagay natin ito dito sa loob.
Yung?
Ito yung mixture,
The mixture
ng
na-
tilmok, yung
The
crabs.
shrimp and
yes.
crab.
Yeah. Dito sa loob.
Na niluto sa kakanggata.
Opo.
Ba't ang daming dahon?
Oh, dalawa po kasing klase siya.
Okay.
Para hindi siya mabutas.
Oh,
Then,
tapos?
Ganun po. Saka itatali ng lemongrass.
Ay, aliw. Paano?
Lemongrass po mismo yung tinatali sa
Sa amoy ah. Dapat normally super bango to. Ayun, doon, here. Doon mo
Ito po lang.
maamoy. Di ba pinipit-pit yan para lumabas yung ano? Okay, go.
May kasama na po dyan. Yung mga pinipit
Okay,
na
can I see?
lemongrass.
Paano yung tali? Binalot, balot.
Then, pagkabalot sa kanya,
Maanghang to, chef.
hindi po.
Ano?
Ito po, hindi maanghang. Yung ganitong tali. Yung maanghang, may paganon.
Oo,
Yan
para
ang-
may warning ka. Ano itsura pag maanghang?
Pag may
May
nakakross siya.
nakakross siya. May nakakross na tali.
That's manghang kasi nakakross na siya
Eh,
ngayon.
nakakross.
Manghang yan.
O di maanghang na yan.
Hindi po, ganito na lang.
Oh, balik mo na dun sa ano. Kontrabida tayong dalawa. Family chef talaga.
After pong kanya siya, may balot. Then ang pagluto sa kanya is ilalagay lang dito. Ilalagyan ng pangalawang gata.
Pangalawa, not the first. Di kakanggata, okay?
Tapos
Ito.
ilalagay dyan.
Gano'ng katagal mo isi-steam yan?
Mga 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20
Kasi pag
minutes.
overcook siya, madudurog po siya.
Ay,
May
okay.
sign ba na parang luto na siya?
Oo. Pag bumaba na yung kanya, kasi pag ganun siya, medyo
Magko-compress.
magko-compress siya.
Okay, ano yung isa pa nating lulutuin?
Yung-
Kasi nakakita ko ng sigarilyas. Tama
Yan.
ba ako?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's that?
Sigarilyas. Sa Bicol version, puro pagulong.
Wala na naman ako. Pero I know that sigarilyas. Go, anong ingredients niya?
First is yung pangalawang gata.
Pangalawang gata, okay. I love sigarilyas. I'm excited for this. Tapos, ganda ng backdrop natin habang nagluluto tayo, ha. And then,
Ilalagay po natin.
lagay na, diretso.
Diretso.
Ayan, kumukulo na. And then,
Garlic.
garlic.
yung onion.
Onion,
And this one is smoked fish or tinapa.
tinapa. So maraming tinapa dito kasi nung nag-lunch tayo, di ba, may tinapa
yung
rice din.
Then ito po yung, ang tawag yun sa amin is urabang.
Urabang.
Sa Tagalog is bagoong.
Oh, alamang.
Alabang.
Dito, urabang. Tapos, what's that?
Chicken broth. Para sa lasa.
Okay. And then, pepper.
Pepper. Tapos hintayin po natin na maluto.
Walang luya?
Wala po. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes pa.
Uso sa yung 15 to 20 minutes, ha? Bakit? Wala lang, yun ang uso. Chef. Chef,
Sa-
hindi mo mini-mix-mix?
Okay na lang po yun. Pwede rin po
Para
siya.
lang, hindi, para ihalo lang natin yung ano mo. Tapos,
Tapos, after na ma-reduce yung sauce niya, lalagyan natin yung kakanggata. And then, lalagyan
parang
natin
mabilis
ng
siya mag-reduce.
sili.
Sili, gano'ng kadami? Naku, yan na naman. Good luck na naman sa'yo. Mag-choke na naman si Paul Jake. Oh.
Dami nun.
Carry belts lang yan. Yung ano, kayaan lang. Buti na isip niyo to, thank God. Kasi sa pag nagko-cooking segment tayo sa labas, di ba? And then yung flame, hindi kinakaya. Pero now na electric siya and it's an induction type, perfect. And the langis, manggagaling mismo
Sa gata.
Sa gata. Yeah, kaya hindi siya naglagay ng anything. Taste ko lang kung ano yung lasa ng sigarilyas. Na.
Ito po, may ready.
Gusto ko yung crispy pa eh.
Okay.
Kaya minsan, di ba may tendency na overcook ang veggies? Itong sarap.
Manghang?
No.
Really?
And then, we're gonna put this.
Niloloko ko lang siya kasi hindi niya kaya. Kaya, initiation mo yan para pag
Ito
sumama
po
ka
yung-
ulit, sanay ka na. Pag sinabi ko, hindi maanghang talaga.
Ito na po yung kakanggata.
Sa Cebu, anong lechon ang binibili nyo?
We make our own.
Oh, talaga?
We cook our own.
Patry nga anong ginagawa nyo on your own, Bakit?
Because yung mga spices and everything, you can put as much as you want. So
Pag sa
it's
inyo.
not-
So
yeah.
may lechonan kayo? In the back
No,
of your house?
It's simple lang, kasi. So,
Talaga?
ganun lang. You just
Taray.
need someone to ano.
Taray, may sariling ano.
Hanggang
May
sa
mga
maging-
tao na pag nagluluto ng megata, naglalagay sila ng 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Sa inyo, hindi?
Mayroon po. Yung, dito sa amin, ang pure na gata po, wala pong vinegar siya.
Oh, kasi di ba sometimes pag nagluluto sa atin, naglalagay ng konting acid. I don't know. No need. Basta pure. Kailan natin malalaman?
Maging creamy po yung sauce.
Creamy ang hinahabol natin na consistency. So, question. Kasi maraming nanonood sa atin sa TFC na wala naman silang access, di ba? For fresh gata, yung delata, pwede na?
Pwede po. Ang gamitin natin na para pangalawang gata is pwede rin yung tubig na lang po. Tapos,
pwede na, hindi ba?
Okay na po.
O
Pwede
yan, gusto ko itry. Alika, chef. Plating mo, try natin.
Oh my God, this is gonna be spicy again.
Di naman. Hindi nga, Wala, promise. Sarap. Sarap.
Word for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ang sarap ng food niyo dito. Sarap. Wala, di ba? Mild. Uubo na naman siya.
Oh, wala.
Okay na? Ang sarap niya, And it has no pork, di ba? So you
Yeah.
can eat this sa Holy Week. Ay, ngayon may guhit na. Sabi ako na sarap. Wala, ngayon guguhit na sa yung tubig. Bakit common ang sigarilyas sa inyo?
Dito po kasi galing yan, ma'am.
Sa?
Sa Bicol.
Sarap? I love sigarilyas. Nasarapan ka?
It's good.
I really like sigarilyas talaga. I don't know. I think, kasi si di ba sila Manay Gina, De Venecia, ang mga Vera Perez, they're also Bicolano. So, she would always send me that. Kaya sarap na sarap ako. And kasi ang tinapa, marami talaga sa Tarlac. So, sanay na sanay yung palate ko sa tinapa. Kaya nasarapan talaga ako doon.
Up next sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol.
Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, basang-basa na ako. Good luck, Darla. Paul Jake, ihulog mo si Darla. Ay, kakaloka.
Nagbabalik ang Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Papayag ba naman akong palampasin ang ganda ng beach dito sa Misibis Bay? Syempre naman, hindi.
So where are we going?
Going to the end of the beach to take photo.
Hindi siya white, pero the sea. is the appeal of the sea, di ba? Ang ganda nung sea.
Of course, the Boracay sun is always the best.
Pero the sea naman.
And it's the Pacific Ocean.
Ang ganda dito, no? The water is so beautiful.
Oh, the beach looks so good.
Ganda, no? Humahawai lang ang dating.
We'll be boarding the boat.
Ano ba to?
It's
What's this called?
It's called the Avalon. Meron siyang slide sa taas.
Slide? Darla, mag-slide ka mamaya. Yan, may slide daw dun sa taas. So, mag-slide ka into the ocean. Ako ganda lang ang puhunan. Sa ano, posing-posing lang dyan. Honestly, Paul Jake, do you feel natagtag ka from kanina that ATV? Ako may feeling ako natagtag talaga yung katawan ko. You don't?
No.
Talaga?
Still do a lot of...
Patayo-tayo ka pa nga dun eh. Okay, let's go! Saan na tayo pupunta?
Yeah, we're going out to the bay, doon sa medyo
Okay.
calm ng water.
This is called a...
The fun ship. We use this for sunset cruises.
Tapos,
Yeah, we go out on the bay and then we have a look at the islands. Actually, from here, you can see Mayon Volcano over there.
saan?
There, nakita mo yung tok-tok niya from the
Yung
top.
tip. Wow!
So we go further out, makikita po natin. We also have a marina over on that end over there.
Ang ganda nito.
It's your first time passing through the Bicol area.
No, campaign. Nagpunta ako dito talaga. Pero syempre wala naman ako nakita talaga. Yung ano. Pero ngayon ko na-appreciate kung gaano kaganda yung nature nyo dito. Grabe. At blue na blue talaga yung water. I can't get over it. Kasi di ba, sanay tayo na pag maulan, nag-iiba yung kulay ng water. Pero ito talaga, so you can just imagine kung gaano kaganda to pag summer.
Clear,
No?
Especially sa outer islands.
Is it usually this wavy inside the bay?
Especially now, during the Habagat season.
I love it. I like waves. Ganda. Bakit? Gusto ko yung gano'n. Gusto ko yung ganyan-ganyan. Wala lang.
Exciting.
Oo, di ba? Saya! Yay! It's part of the package, yung sunset.
Actually, there we have room and breakfast packages. We
Oo.
also have, we call our escape packages na full board.
Full.
Yes.
So yun, party ganito pwede.
Package. You have
Magkano
ATV.
yun? Si full board.
That's
si
actually
full
our
chuchu.
full board.
Yung
starts
3 days, 2 nights, di ba?
For the standard room, starts at 18,888 per person.
Tapos,
3 days, 2 nights includes transfers to and from
Okay.
Legazpi, full board meals, and 30 activities to choose from.
bongga no.
Yes, we have a lot. May zip
Paano,
line.
each additional day, magkano nadadagdag?
It's about mga 9,000
Per day.
Yes. Sayang, Miss Chris, we would have loved you to experience the chopper tours also.
Ayaw. Ay,
Very nice.
I've never been on a
ganito ka,
chopper.
Cloudy, wag. Ano?
I've never been on a chopper din.
Okay, next time.
Very nice. You actually see the crater Mayon. Beautiful.
Talaga? Ay,
Tapos we-
ay! Okay lang ba to?
It's a-
Okay lang to, may tubig na dito?
Yeah, okay lang.
O sige, nababasa na tayo ng bongga-bongga. Dito na ba siya mag-ano? Stop na tayo dito?
Yeah, we can go around.
O yan, ready na. Mag-jet ski na si Paul Jake. Siya lang.
Doon lang natin.
Ingat na lang talaga. Good luck ah. Takutin ba siya?
Ano mo doon?
No, I think you'll do the slide and then you'll get on. Paano ka aakyat dyan,
May
Paul
stairs
Jake?
po sa likod.
Kaya mo ba? Darla, sabayan mo siya. Mag-slide siya. Kailangan mag-slide ka din. Okay na, go. O,
Wala
go.
pa yung scam.
Magsa-slide siya. Here he
Magsa-slide muna yung
goes.
isa.
Ako posing lang. Bye, Darla!
Tapos pipick upin ka.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sana. Pinapunish ka kasi hinigaan mo yung bed ko. O, nag-slide na siya. Sarap! O, good luck, Darla! Okay. Ano feeling? Darla, kausapin mo kami. How did it feel? Anong feeling? Oo. Hindi. pasensya na po kayo next week kasi may commercial ako. Tapos the following week may isa pang commercial. Kung matamaan ang mukha ko, medyo malaking pera po mawawala sa akin. Kaya ayoko ng anything that could do harm to my face. Hindi makaakyat! Diyos ko! Good luck! Paul, Jake, ihulog mo si Darla! Ay, kakaloka! Yeah, let's go back. Iwan na natin sila. Balik na tayo. Saya? 18,800 per person.
Yes.
Pero, with VAT pa yun and everything?
Net
Or
na yun,
net na lahat na?
For standard
Not bad,
room. Tapos for the higher room categories, it becomes more expensive as it goes along. Like up to yung 40 plus, yung sa beach luxury villa with a private pool.
Pero that has discount pag hindi peak, no?
Yes, of course.
Para for those who are planning their vacations na. What's the best time to come here?
Well, actually, honestly, mga this time of year. This time of year, June, mga towards the end of summer talaga yung June.
Bakit?
July. Well, for one, the weather is like this. It's not too hot because in May it was blistering hot, 34 degrees, super blazing hot. May this is nice because it rains and then it's sunny again. There's not many people. You have the resort all to yourself.
You haven't appeared in a movie yet, no?
Not yet.
Oo.
Not yet.
Sabihin ko yun.
Although it will be good.
Oo, hindi sasabihin ko kay Direk Chito naghahanap ng
Governor will be very happy. I'm sure.
Saan na tayo papunta?
Yeah, we're going back.
Oo. Hindi naman ito nagta-topple over.
Hindi naman.
Never?
No, never.
O, sige. Basang-basa na ako.
Dito po kayo, Miss Kiss.
Okay lang, deadman na. Basa naman na ako eh. When we went boating, grabe yung alo do, pero ang saya. I love that. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yung gano'n. Tapos gusto ko yung water na gano'n. Saya.
Habang ine-enjoy kang waves, sinubukan naman ni Paul Jake ang stand-up paddle surfing. It's like surfing and kayaking combined. Kahit ilang beses pang mahulog, try pa rin ang try si Paul Jake. And in all fairness, madali talaga siyang matuto.
Bicol is love. Ang ganda. I'm in love with the place. It's beautiful. Naisip ko talaga na gusto ko talaga dalhin yung kids para ma-experience nila to because I know they'll really enjoy. And then, ang ganda nung idea nila, diba, that all-inclusive, tapos yung activities papasok na para sa mga mommies na kagaya ko or yung mga moms na working moms and hardworking dads out there na who want to spend really good quality time with their kids, magandang pumunta dito.
Susunod sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol.
So, inyo yan?
Yes.
Ganda, no? Sobra na-amaze ako. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Ganda naman itong church na to. So, ikaw, Paul Jake, dito ka ikakasal kay Melissa?
Ako, I'm scared of marriage.
Back here sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol, just a few minutes away from the resort, makikita ang ilan sa nakakamanghang tanawin sa Cagraray Island. At sinamahan kami ni Ian Verona, the General Manager of Misibis Bay na silipin ang Eco Energy Park sa isla.
So, dito tayo? Saan tayo sasakay?
Dito na lang.
So where are we going now?
We're going now to the Aqua Park. This is actually our function hall, or there's a casino also inside. It's opening. A casino.
Casino?
Yes, there's a casino.
Meron?
Yeah.
Bukas?
Not yet. It's still closed, but it's opening probably mga third quarter of this year.
Pagcor?
Pagcor casino.
Anong klaseng casino?
Well, they have
Slots?
slots and some tables. It's more of an amenity rather than a full-size casino.
Normally, the Asian tourists yung hinahanap talaga, di ba?
That's right.
So, saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Yeah, we're going outside, tapos we'll turn left, tapos going to the Eco Park. Maganda kasi we'll probably catch the sunset from there. Hopefully, we'll see mga volcano.
Wala kayong prescribed architecture para dun sa mga bahay?
Yes, we will have actually. Actually, the landowners will give them the option to build on their own, or they let us build it, and in turn, we will manage it and put it as part of the hotel pool.
Saan na tayo pupunta? pupunta?
Going out of the resort, then turning left to the Eco Park. From here, it's about mga 150
Included din yun if you want to go to the Eco Park?
Yes, yes, it's already
package. Wow. Ang ganda talaga ng sky. Ganda talaga dito.
Especially early mornings, there's sort of like a mist that goes down.
Wow.
There's a lot of limestone formations in that cove over there.
Talaga?
That's actually part of the development pa. But in the future, that will probably be an ideal site for a marina.
Ay, ang ganda naman.
Yeah, looks really nice
You have
there, no?
limestone cliffs there.
Ganda. So we're now entering
The Eco
the
Park.
Eco Energy Park.
Tingnan muna natin yung amphitheater.
Oo, sige.
Ito tayo sa amphitheater.
Ay, grabe naman ang view. Ang ganda. Ito,
So this is the amphitheater. Sometimes we have concerts here, or you can have a private dinner for two.
nice. Tapos ang ganda ng likod. Grabe.
You see Mayon Volcano from here.
Inyo rin tong part na to.
This is part of the government na ginagamit namin. Nire-rent lang namin as we use it.
Nice. May reception ba dito later?
No, this is if you want to have some snacks. Actually, we prepared some snacks for you here.
Ang ganda naman dito. Grabe. Ay, ang ganda. Inyo rin yan, yung part, hindi.
That one, yes.
Ito, that parang paikot na area. Inyo yan?
Cove, yung Cove.
Social.
This was actually the finish line of the Amazing Race Asia, season 4, episode 5.
Talaga? Wow, ang ganda. Na-amaze ako. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Minsan mas okay din talaga, di ba? Wala ka expectations para pagdating mo talaga, ganun kaganda, grabe. O, saan na tayo pupunta?
Let's go visit the church.
Ganda, no? Grabe.
This church is called the Stella Maris Chapel. Stella Maris kasi it's like yung Mary of the Sea.
Ganda ba yun?
Parang kasi this is also a landmark. Kapag pumapasok yung mga ships, when they see this point, they feel that they're,
Wow! Ayun yung cross. Kasi ito yung altar.
Yes,
So
here.
habang nagpe-pray ka, ang ganda ng view mo.
You're looking at
Grabe.
270-degree view. You can see the Mayon Volcano on the other side, the Albay Gulf, Sorsogon, and then the Pacific Ocean.
May station sa the cross ka dito?
Yes, a makeshift lang during the Holy Week.
Ganda.
Doon tayo sa gilid.
Sobrang ganda ng church. Pag chapel, pwede ba ikasal? Parang hindi ata.
Yes, pwede naman.
Special permission.
Special permission. You wanna go down, have a quick
Yes,
look?
I do. I want to pray. Oh, ang ganda, grabe. Ang ganda naman itong church na to. Yung ano daw, chandelier nila came from the old Hyatt. Tapos dinala nila dito. Ang ganda, grabe. Ay, ang ganda. Amazing. Ang ganda ng view.
Yeah, Mayon Volcano, nakikita din dito.
Sobrang gandang-ganda ako dun sa church na sinabi ko nga na feeling ko ang lapit-lapit ko kay God. Kasi, di ba, pag nag-face ka ng altar, all around you, makikita mo talaga the sea, the mountains, the sky, na parang feeling mo God is smiling down on you. Ang sarap magdasal. So ikaw, Paul Jake, dito ka ikakasal kay Melissa?
Ako!
Ano ko?
I'm scared of marriage.
Hello ko, okay, nanay ni Melissa, narinig ko yan. Ayoko marinig yun. Talaga?
Yeah.
At how old are you now?
27.
So at what age? 35?
I don't know.
Bakit? Happily married naman ang parents mo.
Yes, they
Oh,
are.
then why are you scared?
I don't know.
Sige.
The thought of getting married.
Nakialam lang sa buhay ng may buhay. Kasi di ba kung happy naman ang magulang, more than likely,
Yeah,
positive ang outlook mo about marriage.
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
But, you know, it's just that thought of...
Forever.
Yeah.
When I was at that age, exactly the same.
Ilan taon ka nung kinasal ka?
31.
Oh, baka magbabago nga.
Magbabago.
4 years, 5 years from now. Pero takot talaga, really? May fear? Or is it because sa dami na naghihiwalay? Kaya may fear? That's true also, di ba?
Sa akin, I got married because I wasn't scared anymore.
Oh, tama.
The fear just went, wala.
Ang ganda dito, grabe.
Up next on Chris Reality TV in Bicol.
Ay, sa Nakahanging Bridge. This is it. Tara, good luck. Parang bahay lang ni Boy Abunda. May ganito. Ay, my God, ang ganda. Nagbabalik po ang Chris Reality TV in Bicol. Nakaka-impress ang pagiging luxurious ng Masibis Bay. Pero within the island, may mga affordable pasyalan din naman para sa mga limited ang budget. Baka akalain ng lahat ng nanonood sa atin na puro sobrang mahal lang nga nandito.
Exactly.
Eh, yung area yon is the more affordable
Yes,
one,
yes,
di ba?
We're
Tapos later on, you're gonna have rooms
The accommodations na 2,000, 3,000 per night for
Diba?
different groups.
Kasi kung hindi mo naman kaya yung
Yeah, that's true.
20,000 per night, at least merong 2 to 3,000 na ganito kaganda pa rin yung surroundings.
That's right. Doon naman, there are zip lines and ropes courses, mga for team buildings, or for leisure. We have mga 400-meter zip lines there.
When you get the cheap rooms, can you use the facilities?
Yeah, of course.
Saan? Bayad
Doon sa
lang.
likod. From here, pagpasok ka, yes, there are day tours. Punta tayo doon, Lex, sa baba.
Bababa daw tayo.
Doon sa may, Eco Park.
Grabe, tinan mo, ang ganda.
That's the best.
How do we get there to those pools?
May disc golf cart. Other way lang.
Para at least makita nila. Makes you realize talaga na ang vacation is really not just, di ba, Boracay, Cebu, Bohol, Puerto Princesa. Kasi yun yung mga na-advertise
Yes.
ng bongga eh.
Additional destination.
Oo,
yes.
so ito ngayon yung parang another destination na sobrang beautiful.
Eventually, we'll have also here mga luge rides, yung downhill luge rides, horseback riding.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bongga. And alam mo, one thing dapat na here in Albay, dapat ibongga nyo na yung food ninyo ang sarap-sarap.
Yes.
Kasi ako, gusto ng palate ko yung medyo maanghang, so sobrang
really?
na-appreciate
Oh, wow.
ko.
That's good.
No, and yung ano kasi, what? Ikaw, nasarapan ako, pero kasi, di ba ang mga European gusto yun?
Yes, that's
So
right.
dapat i-market natin yun. Mga eco park nila, kasi ito yung ano,
Pang mass
not
tourist,
as mahal. Ito yung sinabi ni Gov na pang middle class, di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Affordable.
The Eco Park is actually 120 hectares of
Laki.
reforested area. So we...
Look, yung lamps na solar din.
Solar lamps, yes.
Galing nga eh. Pwede, kung gustuhin lang natin, di ba?
We'll be passing a hanging bridge.
Ay! Talaga? Dangerous?
No, no.
Okay, kasi let's go faster para hindi natin masyado ma-feel na napapagod tayo. So, walk tayo. Ito yung alternative. And then, have you started building? Hindi pa.
The common facilities pa lang. The rooms will follow this year.
Ay, so na hanging bridge. This is it. Tara, good luck. Let's go. Parang bahay lang ni Boy Abunda na may ganito. Okay. Bakit nyo naisip maglagay nito?
Well, yun nga, we felt that...
Para
it would be-
Tarzan ng drama.
Yes, parang jungle.
Okay! Ay, my God, ang ganda! Sino nag-build ng pool?
Yung company namin, but this is the project of the provincial government.
Ganda! ah. Bongga! So ito soon, next year?
Yes, by next year. Next summer.
Next year, at least, di ba, hindi mo ma-feel na parang sobrang elitista. Kasi di ba, everybody can come. Ano to?
That's they call it agubawa eh. Agubawa
to?
plant. It's a beach plant. Yung flower niya yan.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Saan yung pool?
Doon sa baba din yun.
Galing naman na naisip ito.
Because when we opened the CBS, there was a lot of people got turned off. Yung ganyan, bakit ang mahal-mahal, yung gano'n. So we felt that we had to make a different product for the...
For all. Oo naman. So ito, you'll slide there and all. Ganda. Tapos you're in the middle of a mountain. Ito, ano tong mga to?
Those are gazebos. Those are restroom and shower areas. Tapos may mga gazebo siya for mga functions. Then the rooms will be built around
Dito,
this place.
magkaka-rooms na marami. Next year at least, di ba, lahat pwede na. Kasi in fairness sa inyo, yung swimming pool, halos ka-itsura na nung sa inyo.
Yes,
di ba? I mean,
yung design.
close enough. Ano to?
That's a
Waterfall
water
dapat
feature.
yan?
Oo, water feature.
Ganda.
Actually, dito kami nagsi-staff party.
Ganda, nice. And I have to commend you na you did not destroy the natural environment.
Yes, we had to build around the area.
Ganda.
And in fact, we have already reforested up to 50 hectares of forest from the development. We also have yung staff, we also do tree planting with the staff.
Buti na isip niyo yun. Hindi, at nakakatuwa talaga na meron ng affordable alternative, di ba?
Tuloy ang pag-explore natin sa Eco Energy Park. Abangan sa pagbabalik ng Chris Reality TV in Bicol.
Chris TV would like to thank the following: Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, your luxury island playground. For increased call 661-8888 or visit www.misibisbay.com.
Back here sa Chris Reality TV in Bicol, hindi nagpapahuli sa ganda ng Misibis Bay ang mga amenities na dinedevelop sa Eco Energy Park sa Cagraray Island. At habang ine-explore namin ang nasabing destination, patuloy naman ang pagkilala ko sa aking bagong travel buddy.
Are you dependent on your family pa?
A little bit on the expensive stuff, but on the yung mga
Day-to-day living?
Yeah, parang
Hindi, pero yung, like, you take care naman of the kuryente?
Yeah, now because I'm based in Manila now.
Oo, so sagot mo yun.
Yeah.
Yung sa unit ninyo, ikaw nagbabayad ng association.
Yung association is sa parents ko yun.
Ano ba? O, tapos?
Kasi I negotiated with my dad.
So, kuryente is yours. What
Kuryente,
else?
water, phone, the gas.
For your car.
Yeah.
And food.
Food,
Syempre.
yeah, syempre.
Who stays with you?
My maid.
Kayo lang?
Kami lang dalawa.
Wala kang kapatid?
No, they're all in Cebu.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah, they're working
Wow.
for the company.
Sino nag-introduce sa'yo at kay Melissa?
I don't remember how we got introduced, pero as a group, madami kaming lumalabas.
Sino ang mga kasama?
Sila ni AJ, Kay, Jason Avalos.
Ah, grupo talaga. Until nagka-develop pa na.
Yeah, so.
Oo. Ayun, ito. Sino nag-build nito?
Kami din.
Ah, okay. Pero hindi nga talaga ginulo ang
Yes,
kalikasan.
That's right.
Parang minintain na parang you're in the middle of a forest. Ganda. Good idea.
Dito din yung paintball.
Yung baril-barilan?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
I play airsoft.
Ganda, no?
I didn't expect this.
Na ganito?
Yeah.
Ako din,
I didn't
talaga.
expect this at all.
I mean, I knew na very green ang Bicol because nakita ko na, but I didn't expect na may bundok ka na, may sea ka pa, tapos the sky would be like this. Grabe.
Kala ko beach lang, beach resort, and that's it.
Oo. And there's so much to do. Ayoko ring isipin ng mga tao na sobrang pangmayaman lang. Itong in Albay, in Misibis. So, it's so nice that by next year, it will be affordable for many people talaga. And you can, tinan mo naman gano'ng kaganda to. Hindi ko alam ba't sila naglagay ng 5 yan, pero maganda. Di ba parang at talaga takot mahigo. Pero may imagine mo lang kung nagko-concert dito. Ang ganda, di ba?
Matapos ang buong araw na pamamasyal, it's best to relax sa mga Asian-inspired villas ng Misibis Bay. We spent the evening sa resort, then the next morning, kinailangan na naming magpaalam sa mababait na staff ng Misibis Bay and some of the guests na nakasabay namin during our stay.
Picture ba tayo?
Yes, please.
Gusto ko unang pasalamatan si Governor Joy Salceda, si Mayor Geraldine Rosal for that ATV adventure. First Colonial Grill, that was Rowena. It was really delicious. And then si Mr. Zaldi and Mrs. Maylene Ko, the owners of Hotel Venezia and Misibis Bay. Thank you for the warm hospitality. And thank you kasi bilib ako sa mga taong nag-i-invest sa Pilipinas because yung di ba, parang we have to invest in infrastructure like this if we expect tourists to come. So ito na yon, this is it. And sana lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin sa TFC ngayon, ganahan na to visit Bicolandia because first day pa lang to in love na ako. Bicol is love. Peak na to. Good luck sa kanila, ha. Kamsur, galingan nyo, ha. Kasi sobra akong binilib ng Albay at sobra na ako na in love sa Misibis Bay. Kaya, let's see. Sana magustuhan ko din. Pero ito talaga, this is love. Ganda. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo mga kapamilya. Thank you to Paul Jake for being such a good sport doing all the activities with us. Sana na-appreciate ninyo ang beauty na pinakita namin sa inyong lahat. And as I always say, it's really more fun in the Philippines. Dadagdagan ko lang. It's even more beautiful in the Philippines talaga. So until tomorrow, see you dito sa Chris Reality TV.